Hello guys, this is Flight Simulators Rule Forever, and today we will be doing a flight for the Cessna 172 in a different livery, because usually I've been using this one over here, but now I've decided to use this one over here, because I haven't used that in a long time. So we're going to go for our terrain. Yeah, Seattle sounds good. Weather. Make it kind of cloudy. Yeah, partly cloudy. With smoke. With light winds. Kind of heavy actually. Daytime. Okay, so this is how I'm going to be starting up my engine. Why do I have to wait? It's boring! And I just got back from the mall, and I hate shopping there. I don't want to shop at the mall ever again. The only reason why I'm turning off the HDG because the plane turns like a beast. We're gonna change runways so I have an easier flight. 34 right. So this one I was just on the opposite. Yeah, it's opposite of 16 left. So we're just gonna come in. And let's start a roll. Just watch the engine's activity a little bit. Yeah. I'm gonna try and take off in the wind view. Seems a little advanced. This plane turns like a beast, so that's the only reason why I'm turning the HDG off, especially with the rudders. Okay, so rotate, kind of early. Ah! Yeah. Okay, this looks a little better. Lower down the speed. Okay, pick it up. Pick. I'm gonna put you guys down here because I can't see really well, so I'm gonna put you guys down there. I'm gonna be landing at this airport over there that's a few nautical miles away. The only reason because it's the only airport closest, and that's because I'm not doing the whole flight to a random faraway airport, which I cannot find. That's only when I can get longer videos than 15 minutes, because for some reason I can't get longer than 15-minute videos. For some reason, it's going to verify my account in a few minutes. Hopefully they add more free planes, because I'm sick of using this Cessna. Now, unlike extreme landings, I'm just gonna call it a trash can with wings. And I will not be landing at this large runway over here. I'm gonna try and go small. Oh, I got the brakes there, so I'm gonna put you guys up here. Kind of blocking my view. I'm gonna try a small runway because I cannot land possibly at this big runway. It's too much space. And I will be eventually turning back to the main airport in my next video. I will be turning back to the main airport in my next video in this Cessna because it's the only one I have, because I am broke. The only money that I have is 50 cents. I am technically broke on my tablet. I have no money whatsoever. Okay, so I'm in the minimums. Not that big runway. Not that big runway. The small one looks fine to me. Manually putting the throttle down. Flaps full. Full flaps. Kind of sorry for that nosedive. I'm in the minimums. Dropping speed. Pick it up because I'm about to stall. I'm about to stall. So that's the only reason why I'm putting up at 80 knots. Once I'm over the tarmac, then I will put it down. Yeah, I'm over the tarmac, so I can do that. Okay. So I'm sitting down on the runway, 31 right.
This is a lemon shark. They're called lemon sharks because they're kind of yellowish in color. This one's only about 2 or 3 years old, but they can grow to be about 12 feet long.
That was kind of bumpy. I just hope they make the braking a little bit faster because I'm having trouble with the braking. Because when I use the wheel brakes, I'm having trouble trying to stabilize the plane on the runway. Okay, so I'm gonna taxi off the runway into the gate and shut down my engine. I'm gonna use this view to make it more fun and interesting for you guys to see how I am taxiing in the outside view. Taxiing off at the end of the runway, which is unusual for some Cessnas, or maybe a lot, or all of them, or none. In this case, if none of them have ever taxied off at the end of the runway, I am the only one in X-Plane 10 who did that, probably. Okay, so I'm gonna try and turn. Stupid grass. And I crashed. So that's the end of my flight. I hope you guys enjoyed. And subscribe and comment. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below on what you guys think. Sorry for that crash. It wasn't expected. I'll do a successful flight in my next video from Seattle, Tacoma to that airport I just landed at and crashed at the hangar. So, and then my other video, I'm gonna try to come back to the main airport.